Pre-wax cleanse. Before waxing, use a gentle cleanser to remove oils and impurities from your skin. Clean skin ensures better wax adhesion, which speeds up the process. Use wax strips. Pre-wax strips are ideal for a fast waxing session, as they eliminate the need to heat and apply wax, saving you valuable time. Warm wax efficiently. If you prefer wax pots, warm your wax using a microwave or hairdryer. This method heats the wax quickly and evenly, ensuring a smooth application. Trim hair before. Trim hair to the ideal length inch before waxing. Hair that's too long can slow down the process and make the experience more painful. Apply wax in small sections. Work in small, manageable areas to reduce the chance of errors or missed spots, making each pull count and ensuring fast results. Exfoliate 24 hours. Light exfoliation before waxing helps remove dead skin cells, allowing the wax to grip the hair more effectively and making the process quicker. Invest in roll-on wax. Roll-on waxing is quicker and mess-free, allowing for a smoother application on the go. It's perfect for busy schedules. Timer for precision. Set a timer to ensure that you're sticking to your allotted waxing time. This keeps you on track and prevents you from spending too much time on any one area. Powder for adhesion. Lightly dust baby powder on areas prone to moisture. This absorbs any excess moisture and ensures better wax adherence, speeding up the process. Hard wax for sensitive areas. For areas like your bikini line or underarms, use hard wax instead of strip wax. It doesn't require a strip for removal, making the process faster. Pre-wax oil. Apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil before using wax. This helps the wax adhere to the hair rather than the skin, reducing discomfort and speeding up the process. Post-wax products. After waxing, apply a soothing gel like aloe vera. This calms the skin and reduces redness, allowing you to go about your day without irritation. Waxing kit ready. Store all your waxing tools in one place, so you can grab everything in seconds. This eliminates time spent looking for your supplies. Wax regularly. Regular waxing keeps hair growth at bay, meaning each session becomes quicker. This is especially helpful for maintaining smooth skin with minimal effort. Quiet time for waxing. Pick a quiet moment in your day when you have uninterrupted time. This reduces distractions, helping you complete the waxing process faster. Overwaxing. Don't apply too much wax at once. Applying small amounts ensures the process is more efficient, allowing you to quickly remove the wax without wasting time. Refrigerate wax for results. Store wax in the refrigerator for a few minutes before application. It cools down slightly, making it easier and faster to work with. Perfectionist approach. Don't focus too much on perfection. As long as the majority of the hair is removed, you'll save time by moving on to the next area. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.